Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. In this video guys, if you want to move the files and folders from your Mac to the external hard drive or the USB, so this video is for you. I will show step by step how to do that. So first of all guys, once you plug in the USB correctly or the external hard drive correctly, it should be showing up here on the desktop. If it is not showing up here, you need to enable some settings here. So how to enable the settings? So first of all, open the Finder app. Okay, once you open the Finder app, look for the USB drive here and the external hard drive. If it is not showing up, just you need to minimize the Finder, okay, and go to Finder options, then go to its settings, and once you go to its settings, make sure the external disks is selected here. As you can see here, once I tick this box, my USB is showing up here. Also go to the sidebar and also tick this box, external disks. Okay, make sure you tick all the two options here, and then you can close this. Once you have closed this, you can find out the Finder here. Let me show you. It should be showing up now. So as you can see here, this is a USB pen drive I have. So in order to move the some data from external, or even you can copy and paste data from Mac to external drive, how to do that? Just open any folder here, okay, and simply you can drag it like this, okay. It has moved successfully. You can see it is moving up. If you are not able to move file and folders from Mac to the external device, it means that it has formatted with another file system. So make sure the file system you have formatted that with exFAT. Let me show how to do that. It is showing up in a minute, so let's see it. Basically we need to format our external USB, which will support the Mac OS operating system as well as the Windows. Okay, let it finish once. So once it is going on, you need to back up your data first of all guys. So you can make the folder here, okay, and you can simply copy and paste the data from USB to Mac in order to back up the data. It has successfully moved now, but if we are facing any kind of issues, then we have to format our USB to the Mac operating system drive. How to do that? Close this also. Open the disk utility from other option and then click on disk utility. Once you open the disk utility, go to your external USB, okay, and you can see here the volume type is here, all the details here, but you need to erase all the data from the USB. So make sure you back up the data from the USB before proceeding in this step. So click on here erase, this option, and once you erase, select here from exFAT, this option I'm talking about. Just select this option, then click on erase. So once you have erased this with the exFAT, okay, it will be showing up on your Mac, and all the data you can later back up on your external USB or hard drive. Okay, there will be no issues if you have formatted your USB with the exFAT file system. So I hope guys this video helps you. If yes, then hit like, subscribe and share. Thank you. Thanks for watching.